Hey creators, if your YouTube channel isn't growing as fast as you want, don't worry. Today I'll share 10 powerful strategies that actually work in 2025. Whether you make tech, AI, or crypto videos, these tips will help you get more views, subscribers, and engagement. Let's dive right in. First, stop making random videos. Pick one clear niche, like AI tools, crypto updates, or tech reviews. When your audience knows exactly what to expect from you, they are much more likely to subscribe. Remember, clarity beats variety every single time. Next, never start your video with a generic, "Hi guys, welcome back." Instead, you need to hook your viewers within the first 5 seconds. Try starting with something like, "This one AI tool can save you 3 hours a day." Boom! You've created instant curiosity, and they'll stick around to find out what it is. YouTube's algorithm absolutely rewards consistency, so try posting 2 to 3 times a week. Even short videos count. Regular uploads send a strong signal to YouTube that you're an active creator, making it more likely to recommend your videos to new viewers. Speaking of short videos, YouTube Shorts are pure gold in 2025. Post 15 to 30-second clips with quick, valuable info or reactions. Think top 3 AI tools this week or crypto update in 20 seconds. One viral short can bring you thousands of new subscribers almost overnight. Now, let's talk about your first impression, your title and thumbnail. You need to use keywords that people are actively searching for. Tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy are a huge help with this. For your thumbnails, keep them clean, bright, and easy to read. Avoid clutter at all costs. And don't forget to engage in your comments section. Try to reply to every single comment, especially within the first 2 hours of posting. This engagement tells YouTube your video is valuable and worth recommending. A great trick is to ask a question in your pinned comment, like, "Which AI tool would you try first?" Another fantastic growth strategy is to collaborate with other creators. Find small YouTubers in your niche and team up. You could do challenges, interviews, or even just have a discussion about new tech. It helps both of your channels grow, and audiences love seeing their favorite creators work together. Make sure you're also cross-promoting on other social media platforms. Share your videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and in relevant Facebook groups. Short clips with captions get a ton of attention. If your handle is Sing With Me on YouTube, use that same name everywhere to build a consistent brand. And don't let viewers leave after watching just one video. Use end screens and playlists to guide them to more of your content. Create a series like AI Tools Explained or Tech News 2025. This increases your total watch time, and YouTube absolutely loves that metric. Finally, you need to learn from your analytics. Go to your YouTube studio and look at your click-through rate and audience retention graph. If you notice people are dropping off early in your videos, try using stronger hooks or making your intros shorter. Let the data guide your improvements. So that's it. 10 ways to grow a small YouTube channel in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with another creator who needs it. Comment below with your channel's niche. I might even feature your channel in my next video. This is Sing With Me, helping creators grow smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.